Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making this warm and delicious spicy shrimp stir fry that you can whip up in 20 minutes. It's a relatively hot yet flavorful side dish served with fried rice, white rice or even noodles. Here's a quick summary of the ingredients that you will need for this stir fry, and I'm going to go through it in detail when we get started. To get started, I'm going to marinate these raw shrimp that has been peeled and deveined. Make sure to pat them dry really well before you start marinating, because if there's any water left there, the stir fry will become too soggy and the shrimp won't be nicely done. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic salt or garlic powder, one teaspoon of chili powder, and half teaspoon of pepper. Now, if you don't like your dish to be too spicy, you can either replace the chili powder with paprika or omit the spice altogether. Now I'm going to give it a good mix so that the shrimp gets well coated in the spice mix. And then finally I add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to enhance the flavor and to take that funny smell away from the shrimp. Leave this to marinate for about 5 to 6 minutes or longer. So I have here the veggies I'm using for the stir fry. So here I have 1 large onion cut into cubes, 1 large tomato cut into wedges, small pieces of green chili pepper, a banana pepper. You can also use red or green bell pepper, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 inch piece of garlic and some curry leaves. If you can find these, use 2 to 3 bay leaves instead. Now I'm going to cut the banana pepper into big diagonal pieces. The reason why I've cut these veggies into large chunks and in a certain way is not only because it's appealing to the eye, but also because the veggies will be more crunchier and give out each of its own flavor to the dish. And notice here that I'm not removing the seeds because I want that to go into the stir fry. Again, you can remove the seeds and wash the pepper if you don't want the dish to be too spicy. I'm also going to chop the garlic and ginger into tiny pieces. Now get your frying pan nice and hot on sort of a medium to high heat for a couple of minutes and add in the 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm carefully adding the marinated shrimp onto the hot oil, and I'm not adding the liquid that's left in the marinade because that will make the shrimp cook soft but not fry, and we don't want that. Now fry the shrimp gently, tossing them in between for about 3 to 4 minutes or till it turns a golden color. Okay, now the shrimp looks ready to be taken out. I'm going to toss them into a bowl lined with a paper towel to absorb that extra oil. Don't discard the oil because the oil now has absorbed all that flavor from the marinade and the shrimp, and we want to be using that to stir fry our veggies. Now I'm adding the chopped ginger and garlic to the pan. The curry leaves and the green chilies, and give it a good stir. Give it a minute or two to sizzle and release that flavor. And add the banana pepper and the onions to the pan. Add a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika or chili powder, and a half a teaspoon of chili flakes. When the onions and banana peppers has become soft and tender, add in the tomatoes. Then add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce. These are the 2 key ingredients that makes all the difference to this recipe. So once everything is well combined and sauteed, toss in the fried shrimp to the pan and mix everything. At this stage, all of the liquid will be coming out of the stir fry and will start to infuse into the shrimp. After another 2 minutes, take the stir fry off the heat because we don't want to overcook that shrimp. And when it's done, it will look like this. Transfer the stir fry into your serving bowl and dig away. I hope you will enjoy this recipe and leave me a comment when you give it a try. I will be making a yellow rice recipe that will complement this dish, so stay tuned for that. And like always, please show your support by liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. And until next time, bye!